Now we will discuss about the highway alignment. Okay. So basically, highway alignment is the position of the central line on the highway in the ground. Okay. So highway alignment includes horizontal alignment and vertical alignment. So in the horizontal alignment, there are different parameters like superimposition, okay, horizontal cuts, etc. And in the vertical alignment, there are gradients, okay, and there are vertical cuts. Now, the projection of highway alignment in the horizontal plane is termed as horizontal alignment, and the projection of highway alignment in the vertical plane is called vertical alignment. Now, alignment, a road alignment, should be selected in such a way so that overall cost during the construction, operation, and maintenance is minimal. So, if the improper highway alignment is made, in that case, it will increase the construction cost, maintenance cost, vehicle operation cost, and it will always increase the accident rate. Now, there are different requirements for an ideal alignment. Okay, so first one is the ideal alignment. It should be safe, it should be easy, it should be short, and it should be economical. Now, safe is in terms of during the construction, operation, and maintenance. So, whenever we are constructing the road, it should be very much safe for the construction. Suppose there are some slopes are there, okay, and if the slopes are not stable, in that case, there some accident may occur. So that alignment should be very much safe in terms of construction, operation, maintenance, and that vehicle operation. Then next one is easy. Easy means the construction materials is present at the place of the construction. In that case, it will be very much easy for the construction. Now, similarly, it should be easy with the operation of the vehicle with easy gradients and curvature. Suppose you need to construct a road in the hilly areas. Okay. Now, if the gradient is higher, gradient means how much are the vehicles covered. If it is higher, in that case, that trucks and lorries which will generally transport different goods, for them it will be very much uh, disadvantageous to overcome that gradient. Okay, it will be very much tough for them to overcome that gradient. So in that case, you need to make the gradient very much easy so that all type of vehicles can move over there. So basically, to make the gradient easy, for this reason only, in the hill road, that zigzag roads are constructed. Okay, to make the gradients easier. Now, next one is short. Short means suppose you need to connect two points or two cities. Suppose one city is A, another city is B. Okay. Now, the main purpose of your alignment should be like that. That the minimum distance, with the minimum distance, you can cover from A to B. Okay. Then economical. Ultimately, the alignment should be economical during the construction, operation, and maintenance. Now, how we can make the alignment economical in terms of construction, operation, and maintenance? Suppose if all the raw materials are available within a short distance of your alignment, in that case, it will reduce the construction cost. Okay. Now, again, if the soil conditions of the area through which your alignment will be passing through is in good condition, if there is all the slopes are stable, if there is no cross drainage structures, in that case the construction cost as well as maintenance cost will be reduced. Now, however, if the construction turns out to be economical, the gradient may not be easy, which in turn increase the cost of the operation and maintenance. So, therefore, suppose during construction, you can think that if we can increase some gradient, we can reduce some construction cost. But after constructing, what happens if the gradient is more? Okay, in that case, the energy used by the vehicles to overcome that gradient will also be more. Okay, so in that case, what will happen? That the operation cost, vehicle operation cost will be more. So you have to think about that scenarios also. Now, next thing is factor controlling highway alignment. So this topic is very much important, and basically this topic is coming in different exams. So first one is government. So basically government decide where the road will connect. Okay, where the road will be later. So and the government is main funding body of the road construction in India. So government plays an important role in planning and development of the road. Then obligatory points. Obligatory points means there are different stations and different points through which alignment should pass, and some of the points are like that through which alignment should not pass. Okay, so the points through which a alignment should pass or a road should be constructed, these are called positive obligatory points, and the points through which alignment should not pass, these are called negative obligatory points. Now coming to the point, what are these positive obligatory points? Okay, what are the different points through which our alignment should pass? So first one is existing road. Suppose you need to connect two cities A and B, and in some portion existing road is there. Okay, so if you can connect the existing road with the two cities, in that case it will be very much economical and it will be easy to construct. So therefore, existing road between the two cities, you always have to how to connect these two cities with that existing road. Now intermediate towns. Okay, now refer to this figure. Suppose A and B are two cities. Okay, we need to connect these two cities. Now, in the previous discussion, we said that a highway alignment should be short. Okay, so next, the shortest distance would be if you connect A and B. Okay, this is the shortest distance. But suppose an intermediate station C is there. Okay. Now it is always advisable to connect A to C and C to B. Now the question is why? In the case why we need to connect the C? So basically if you connect the C, in that case it will serve a larger population. Okay. And the whatever need of the road is there, that total need will be served. The next one is reside and existing lease. Suppose there is existing lease is there, then you need to construct your road in such a way that the site is covered. Okay. Suppose here also A and B is there, but one existing lease is there, and you know the construction cost of the lease is very much high. So you can anyway you can construct one lease over there, but the thing is if there is an existing lease, you need to take the advantage of the situation and you need to connect A and B to that lease site. Then mountain, whenever you are passing through a mountain, you just need to find out some mountain pass. Again here, suppose A and C are there, you need to connect A and C, and we have the mountain ranges. So if you directly can go over there, in that case it will create very much problem. There will be very much cutting and filling, and their radius will be very much high. So for this, construction cost will be very much high. So in that case, if you can go like A and then C through the mountain pass, in that case your construction cost would be very much less than the previous case. Now coming to the negative obligatory points. So there are different type of negative obligatory points. So some of them are first one is dwelling ponds and marshy lands need to be avoided. So if there is any heavy, if there is any ponds or any watery area or marshy land, in that case you need to avoid that area. Why you need to avoid that area? Because if you want to go through that area, in that case you need to construct some culvert or you need to construct some bridge or you need to treat the soil and the cost would be considerably high. So in that case, you always have to take the alternative. Another one is religious places are linked up with the human sentiment, so it cannot be destroyed. Suppose you have planned some road construction, and in between some temples or mosques or churches are coming up. Okay, so if you want to demolish that religious place, then it will create very much interest among the people. So it is better to avoid such type of places. Next one is costly structure present in the way of alignment should be considered and road alignment should be fixed such that it won't destroy those costly structure. Suppose some costly structure is there, some heritage place is there. In that case, you can slightly deviate your highway alignment so that all this construction will remain intact. Okay, and it is not destroyed by the alignment process. Then conservation areas and some restricted zones are there. Okay, you cannot construct the road over that restricted area. Then densely populated area, if that area is very much densely populated, in that case what will happen? The cost of the land will be very much high, and in acquiring land, it will be very much hectic. There will be so much court cases and other things, and it will ultimately delay that project. So it is better to avoid such type of densely populated areas. Next one is the road should not be within the boundary of the country. If another country is there, in that case, it should not be like boundary in that country. Okay, suppose this is another country. In that case, you have to deviate your road so that your road passes through your country. Okay, it should not pass through another country. Then the alignment should be according to the traffic amount and flow pattern. Okay, so based on the traffic means the road users. Okay, that is the different type of vehicles, pedestrians, etc. So based on the traffic condition, you have to decide the width of the road. Okay, if there will be any main division and other things. So all these physical characteristics of the road will be decided upon the traffic conditions and flow pattern. So next topic is geological condition. So geological condition means existing features of the surrounding condition like stability of the slope, present of the cross drainage work, present of any, the hilly mountain pass, hilly areas, etc. These are the geological condition. Then geometric design. Geometric design is different features which is enabling the road to make it very much easy for vehicle access. So there are different factors of the geometric design like the radius of the curvature, side distance, and gradient. Okay, and gradient is very much important for the alignment or for the route which passes through a given area. In that case, you need to be much careful about the gradient which you are providing for a particular road. Then availability of the construction materials and labor. This is again very much important whether the construction materials and labors are available or not. So if they are not available, in that case, what will happen? That your transportation cost will be more. Okay, if the material is not easily accessible from the site location, then you need to uh, your transportation cost basically to transport all this material to your site will be very much high, and ultimately it will increase the total cost of the project. Then economy, the construction, operation and maintenance work should be economical. So highway alignment is selected keeping these things in mind. Okay. Now there are other considerations. So first one is drainage. Now, drainage condition is the alignment needs to be fixed such that the number of cross drainage structure are less. Suppose some big stream is there, so if that stream crosses that particular alignment, in that case, you need to construct additional culvert. Okay, suppose some waterfall is there. Now, if the water from that waterfall crosses a particular alignment or particular road, in that case also, you need to take special care for that portion of the road. You need to suppose you need to make some extra facilities to facilitate this type of cross drainage structure. Okay, so in that case, it is always advisable to avoid such type of cross drainage work. Then political pressure. So sometimes what happens, as we have discussed, the construction of the road is associated with the societal development and the increase in the land value. So suppose a new project planning has been done, that one new road will be constructed over that area. So in that case, some political pressure, if you are the engineer of that road development planning, in that case, you may feel some pressure to deviate the alignment so that that alignment can pass through some land of some important political figures or some other persons with some powers. Okay, then monotony. So monotony is boring. Suppose what happens? Suppose you are traveling in a very straight road. Okay, it is very much straight way, there is no disturbance, nothing is there. Okay, and the road surface is very much smooth. Okay, there is no gradient, just plain straight highway. Okay, and you are traveling on the highway. Okay, so if such cases occurs, in that case, what will happen? You don't have to put your effort, very much effort in the driving because you do not have to change the gears. Okay, just your foot will be on accelerator and you can just go on and go on. There would not be much effort which you can put over there. So in such cases, what will happen? After some time, you will get sleepy. Okay, basically this type of things is called monotony. Okay, so intentionally you have to put some disturbance in such type of long stretched highways. Okay, sometimes you can put some intentional band, sometimes you can put some gradient to break that monotony. Okay, there are different type of accident which can occur because of the monotony. Now there are different spatial consideration for the hill roads. So for the hill roads, the main thing which is very much important, that is the stability. That is the stability of the surrounding. Because you know in the hill road, the major problem is soil erosion. Okay, so in that case, the stability is very much important. So the road should be aligned with the hillside that is stable. Now, excessive cutting and filling may affect on their stability. Now, if you have to cut, in that case, you need to construct some retaining walls if the portion is not stable enough. Okay, so if you make some retaining walls, in that case, it can be accessible throughout the year. And again, you have to put some vegetation over that area so that that area become very much stable. So another thing is drainage. Now adequate drainage facilities need to be provided over there because in the hilly area generally the rainfall is very much high. So you need to provide adequate drainage facilities so that all the surface water can be drained off easily. Now, if that water is get accumulated over the road, in that case it will damage the road. So it is always advisable to construct additional or adequate drainage facilities and effective drainage facilities so that all the surface water can be drained off very much easily. Then geometric standards. Now for the hill roads, there are different geometric standards like gradients and other things. So the details of this gradient, what we have to follow, and details of the vertical curve, we will discuss this in our next chapter. Another thing is resisting length. So resisting length is effective rise and excessive fall should be minimum. So if effective rise and excessive fall, the rise and fall means how much up and down you are going in the hill road. So in that case, if the effective rise and excessive fall is maximum or it is more, in that case it will create very much hurdle for the different type of vehicles. So this is for the today's class. Okay. So you can put your registration number in the chat and you can leave the class.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So I'll share all these notes in your WhatsApp group. Okay. You just put your registration number in the chat box and
Thank you, sir.
okay. So one thing I want to ask you whether all these things, whatever I have discussed, that is understandable or not, or you have any
Yes,
question
yes.
regarding this? Is it understandable?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
if network is good,
Uh,
then sir, understanding is possible, sir. Network is bad, then sir, voice break.
Yes, yes. Network. There is very much network issue. So
Yes, sir.
if you can access your portal, okay, that is one plus portal is there, na? So in that portal,
Yes, sir.
I have already made some videos about all these classes. You can go through that also.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So where to give attendance?
Uh,
Attendance, sir.
attendance. You can give the attendance in the chat box. Okay, I will mark this attendance.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thanks, sir.
Okay.
oh, Anil.
Sir, পৰ্টেলত মই চালো এতিয়া অকল সেমিষ্টাৰ 3 and 4 ৰ নোটছ হে আছে অকল তাতে sir.
Acha. Okay, let me talk with IT officer about this. Okay,
Okay, sir.
okay, I will inform you about this. Only third semester
Okay,
and
sir.
fourth
Thank you,
semester
sir.
is visible. Okay, I'll let you know.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll let you know about this.
Yes.